Next step now is to install our LUK clutch kit, clutch plate and pressure plate and the bearing. So that's our next step. Make sure your plate's centre before you tighten her up. That's our next step. Now it's just jacked into place. You have to get a regular bit to get her in. You put a stud on her here. The one here to line her up. Just tighten them by finger. So you see that? One there, that should pull her into place. Just make sure they're not jammed in there before we start tightening. You run a little jig here. So it should be. Get the place here. Jig down a bit. So the jack's not holding her. Here a wee. Yeah, get the place. That should do her. So we'll tighten up 3 studs in her, and we'll put them out and back in here, and then we can start reassembling again. Now gearbox is back in. Put on your mounting, that'll hold her. You have 3 studs in here already tightened up, and then mounting on, tightened up. That's your engine back, gearbox back in now, ready for assembly. So you get your drives to put in now, and cables, your linkages, just everything in reverse. And don't forget to cut your ties. And reversing light and your straps. Okay, starter's on. Air strap, gear lever connectors, and the mounting's in, and both drives are in. Now we put on the battery holder cover, air filter cover. The air filter on, battery. Good job to pick.